Welcome to Coverage for Employees. Let's walk through the open enrollment process for your healthcare benefits and explore the features of this site that can assist you in your decision-making process. This is the welcome screen that you saw when you first logged into your account. You obviously noticed the menu at the left-hand side of the page to access the Help Center where you found this instructional video. You'll also find contact information for your company's Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan and Blue Care Network insurance agent. Should you have questions about the benefit plans being offered to you or about the enrollment process, your agent can assist. Returning to the center of the page, you'll find a little bit of information about how Coverage for Employees works, how much time remains for you to make your benefit decisions, and options to waive coverage or begin the benefit election process. If you decide to waive coverage, you are choosing not to enroll in your employer-sponsored health plan. To waive, you'll simply click on this option, answer a few brief questions, and enter your electronic signature. If you would like to enroll in health coverage sponsored by your employer, you'll select the Start Shopping option, and Coverage for Employees will walk you through the selection and enrollment process. As you proceed, you'll have the opportunity to review the benefits of the various plans available to you and your per paycheck costs for each option. If you decide to start shopping, you'll be asked to confirm your personal information and enter any details that are missing. On this page, you'll need to enter the Social Security numbers for everyone on your contract that is more than 1 year old if they're not already loaded. If you need to add a spouse or dependent who is not listed, you can use these options at the top right. If you need to remove someone from your contract, the X to the left of this person will do so. Scrolling down, you'll need to complete any missing information. Your complete street address and a phone number are required. Your email address should already be populated. You'll also need to enter your marital status, job title, date of hire, and the number of hours you work in an average week. If anyone on your contract has health coverage from another source, you can select Yes and enter the appropriate information here for coordination of benefits. When you click Continue, you'll be taken to the shopping portal. At the top of the page, you'll find options to search for a doctor or a pharmacy to find out if your providers participate in the networks for the PPO and HMO plans available to you. As you move down the page, you'll see 4 benefit options you can choose from. The plans are listed across the top, and clicking on their names will give you detailed benefit information about each. You'll also see detailed information regarding the cost of each plan. The first row, titled Medical and RX Premium, shows the total per paycheck cost of each plan. The next, marked Employer Contribution, shows how much money your company will contribute each pay cycle. The row titled Your Cost lists the amount that will be deducted from your paycheck for each plan. Scrolling down, you'll see that basic benefit information for each plan is provided. This section details deductibles, out-of-pocket maximums, copays for prescription drugs and common medical services, among other items. If you're not familiar with the terminology, the question mark next to each item will provide an explanation. If you need help evaluating your benefit options, you can return to the top of the page and click Help Me Choose. Coverage for Employees will prompt you for information about 3 key aspects of your benefit needs and will provide a recommendation based on your answers. You'll notice that terminology assistance is also available throughout this process. Upon completion, the recommended plan will be highlighted for you, and rationale for this suggestion will also be provided. You remain free to choose from all the plans available. You'll need to click Select and then Continue to proceed. If you elect an HMO product from Blue Care Network, you'll be asked for information about your primary care physician. If you do not have this information, the provider directory can be used to look it up. If you don't have a primary care physician, you can leave this section blank and Blue Care Network will automatically assign you one after enrollment. You can change your primary care physician at any time using your Member Secured Services account at www.bcbsm.com or by contacting Blue Care Network customer service at the number on the back of your ID card. The final step in the election process is to review your selection. On this screen, you have another opportunity to access basic benefit information by clicking on the I icon, as well as the plan details and plan overview if you'd like a more in-depth look. You'll also be reminded about the costs of the plan you've selected in the same format you saw previously, and here a yearly total is provided as well. Scrolling down, you can check your personal information for accuracy and review the terms of your contract. After reading, you'll need to check this box to agree to them. Finally, you'll enter your name twice to provide your electronic signature. Once you click Submit, you'll be given a confirmation that you have successfully completed your enrollment. Returning to the home screen, you'll see that you have made your selection. However, you can change your election anytime before the end of your open enrollment period. Thank you for using Coverage for Employees.